الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Just a quick reminder that Zakat al-Fitr is $15 per person. It's supposed to be paid before your Eid Salah. If you haven't paid it yet, we do have cash boxes as well as a credit card machine outside that you can pay. Please make your way to pay. It's $15 per person. At this point, I would like everybody to stand up. Brothers and sisters, please stand up. And move.
The battery is dead.
And move forward, filling in all the gaps as if you're getting ready to pray. Brothers and sisters both, we want to make sure we can make space for all of our other brothers and sisters that will be coming later in the next 15-20 minutes. If you have a space next to you that is not filled, please invite a brother or a sister from the row behind you. Let's fill in all the gaps. Inshallah, you'll get ajr for all the people behind you that will come and be able to join the prayer. Brothers and sisters, please fill in all the gaps.